Hi guys, this is Aarti and today I'm going to show you how to make one of the basic South Indian recipe called sambar. It is a kind of lentil and vegetable stew with some mixed spices in them. So these are the vegetables you need. I have some carrots, shallots, brinjal, potato, drumstick, cucumber, one green chili, one small tomato, and what is that? It's a snake gourd. So what I did is I washed all the vegetables and cut it into bite-sized cubes, and I also peeled some shallots, and I have just quartered the tomato, and I have broken the green chili into 2 pieces. I cooked some tur dal in a pressure cooker for 3 whistles, and first heat some oil in a kadai or a big pan which you can cook. Once the oil is heated, add in your peeled shallots and just saute it for just 1 or 2 minutes, and add in your tomato and green chili and saute it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can add in all your vegetables. You don't have to add it one by one, just dump it all in. That's it. And what I do is I just saute the vegetables in the oil for around 2 to 3 or 4 minutes. I also add some salt and turmeric powder in this at this point, so the vegetable can absorb the salt as well. So once the turmeric and salt is added, I saute it for around 2 to 3 minutes, so the vegetable can get a little bit color, and it will get rid of some of the rawness, but it doesn't matter, but I do it. Okay, so at this point I add in enough water to cover the vegetables. You can add more as per you liking. You can add more water after the vegetables is cooked as well. So now it has been around 10 minutes. The vegetables are done. So at this point I'm adding the spice powders. I'm adding some coriander powder, some chili powder, and giving it a good mix. The measurements for this recipe can be found in my website yummytummyaarti.com. So once the spices have been cooked for a couple of minutes, add in your cooked tur dal, and I didn't add any turmeric or salt in this, just dal and water. So just mix it through and let it bubble up. I added some more water at this point because I thought it is a little bit thick. So now I have added some tamarind paste. This is store-bought tamarind paste. If you have fresh tamarind, you can soak it in water and add that water. I also added some sugar. You can add some jaggery as well. So give everything a good mix. So let it all simmer for around 5 to 10 minutes on a low flame. What I did is I covered the pan and let it simmer for around 5 to 10 minutes. Now the sambar is all done. So just set the pan aside and let's make the seasoning for it. For making the seasoning, just heat a little ghee. The ghee is must in this. Ghee is just clarified butter. Just heat it in a small tadka pan or a small saucepan, and add in some mustard seeds and cumin seeds and let them splutter. After that, you have to add in some broken red chilies, and once the red chilies has been added, you can add a good helping of asafoetida or hing, and also curry leaves. Now saute this well and pour it over the sambar and give it a good mix. That's it. Your sambar is done. You have to add some chopped coriander leaves into your sambar. I didn't have any, so I didn't add, but it is really good. You have to add it. So now the sambar is done. I hope you like it and give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you. Thank you.